Hey Jax, I'm in a busy place, but I'm gonna make you this video because you have some plagiarism, and I'm gonna show you how to see it, and and then I'm gonna request that you fix it. So you always click on this tile right here, especially if you see any number over well, any number really, but 20 is pretty high.
I need glass, Mama.
Okay, Tay. Shh, shh, shh. Okay, so you click on that, and then you scan and see what this is a plagiarism detector. So you see what they flagged, and they flagged a few lines. So what that means is that you need to put those words into your own words, or put them in quotation marks. You can't use their words without giving credit for them. And so if you could please do that and resubmit, I will grade it as soon as I see it.